So I'm looking at you and you're looking at me, and I'm using my newest camera. This is the SJ7 STAR. Hey, what's up guys, I'm Henry from hkxfit channel, welcome. So today I'm reviewing this bad boy. This is the SJ7 STAR. I'm super excited. By the time you're watching this video, I've had the camera for around 2 weeks, so I could give you my best review for it. In this video I'll cover unboxing, design, media, ease of use, the menu system, the pricing point, and in the end I'll give you my final verdict whether or not this is worth getting one of these. If you're in a hurry, my short answer to you is yes, get one of these. If not, let's jump right into it. So unboxing the camera was exciting as always. I like the package very much. It shipped very fast. The camera inside the shell was waiting for me. Many accessories and stickers, varieties in there, come with a box. So in overall, the presentation package looks great. Now let's move on with the design of the camera. In terms of design, the moment I unboxed, I got very curious about its metallic constructions around the camera. Very beautiful design, I love it. On the left you'll see the USB and HDMI ports and the SD card port as well. On the other side you don't see buttons, but on the top you have got the press button, and in front of the camera the power and settings gear buttons. The camera came together with a lens cap for protection. It is sort of a light silicone, for me truly usable because I can protect the lens from scratches. The camera feels very light and is smaller from the IT5E, which I reviewed 2 weeks ago. Nice camera that too, check that out. One of the best features of the SJ7 STAR is of course the touchscreen technology that makes it super convenient. Really love it. Very responsive, not the fastest out there, but reliable and works great. The touchscreen feature makes this camera convenient to rapidly change between modes, and also you get fast access to time-lapses, photo and video just by swiping the finger up. You can turn on the Wi-Fi easily as well. Swipe down and there you have it. Gallery, remote control gear and Wi-Fi. Okay, now my favorite part, what about its media? It can go as high as 4K 30 FPS and can shoot 1080 60 FPS and slow motion 120 FPS, also 720p with 240 FPS. SJ7 STAR provides gyro stabilization for smoother video, but this gets on only for 1080 60 FPS and below. 4K video is good only if you are using a tripod. On the go it starts to jitter and becomes unwatchable because the video gets really shaky. In contrast, the 1080p 60 FPS or 30 FPS does amazing. Pictures are great and beautiful too. They shoot 16 megapixel photos, so everything you see on this clip is straight off the camera, untouched. Now let me share a slow motion video with you. This is 1080 120 FPS, smooth as butter as you can see. This one 720p at 240 FPS, scaled up to 1080p. Man, I really don't like it. It's so slow. The quality is so low, too grainy. I would advise to avoid it. In my opinion, 120 FPS is good and is more usable in everyday life. 240 is so slow. Okay guys, moving now to the pricing point. The SJ7 STAR retails right now for $159. If you're interested, you can find the link in the description below where you can purchase it from official retailer. Okay, last but not least, my final verdict. What do I think of it? Is it worth buying it? My answer to you guys is yes. There's plenty of value on this camera. First of all, maybe this isn't important for you, but the design and the construction of this camera, this metallic around the camera, makes the camera looks really fashionable. The camera comes together with a lot of variety and accessories which are really useful in everyday life. Besides, this camera has a stellar battery life, believe me. Now, I always advise you and recommend you to get a spare batteries with you because you never know how long the adventure may take, so maybe 1 or 2 spare batteries with you are always a great option. But this battery inside this camera is great, is really great, it lasts a lot. Another reason you might consider is the 1080 60p or 30p, which is really smooth and uses gyro stabilization for smoother footage. So keep that in mind. So in the end, for $159, you're kidding, man, I'm getting this camera right away. And that's it, guys. I really hope you enjoyed my video. If so, give it a thumbs up. It always does help a lot. And if you're new to my channel and you do enjoy my stuff, then consider subscribing, because I want to put a lot of awesome stuff for this year. So stay tuned. Again, thanks a lot for watching. I'm Henry. Have a good day. Peace.